Hello and welcome to this edition of Ask Andy. In this video we're going to look at how we actually join a Contribute Cloud session. So we've already seen how we can create a workbook, start a session. Now we're going to look at how we can join a session. Normally you would have the students or the participants to join your session from their own device. But for this video, to make it nice and clear for exactly what we're doing, I'm going to open it in the same browser here. So I'm going to have both the host and the participant using the same browser. And that's purely so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So I've started a session, and the most important thing for joining a session is the session ID. Now the session ID, as we know, changes for security every time we start a session, even if this is the same content. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this ID 077766, and I'm going to remember that number. Now what your students or your participants are going to do is they're going to open up a browser and they're going to head over to contribute.cloud, and on the left hand side they're going to hit join a session. What they're then going to do is they're then going to enter their name. So I will enter Andy, and we're going to enter that session ID, which, if we remember, was 077766. So now we've entered the session. Okay, so it's really easy to join a session. As I said, normally the participants or the students would be opening up that browser on their own device. You would tell them the session ID and they would then connect to the session. Really, really simple. If you've found this video useful, please do subscribe, like, share our YouTube channel, and you can watch the next video by clicking on the link below. Thanks for watching.